Hi everyone, it's Addie Van Salisbury on the Aspen Discovery team with Bywater Solutions, and today I wanted to quickly introduce y'all to an incredible new feature in 20.15 of Aspen Discovery that we will be rolling out to our partners. So we will now have the capability to create web pages directly within your Aspen Discovery layer. You can use this for so many different reasons. You could just create a couple different pages that you link to in your menu up top, or you can create pages that you use as your actual library website if you wanted to. Again, this is just an introduction. We'll have a more in-depth video on different options and how to create them from start to finish. But I wanted to show you an example of one of our partners that have been helping us create this functionality. So this is their actual Aspen Discovery home page now. They've embedded images and some text, some video. They have their event integration and some carousels down here. So they did this all within Aspen Discovery. Additionally, they have some drop downs that link out to some of the features that we can create. For example, forms. So they created this form within Aspen Discovery and put it in this page that they designed. You can also create a staff directory really easily, so you can include your staff's information and images and link to it here as well. So the menu functionality, these and the drop down here is not new, but you now would be able to link to the pages that you're creating within Aspen. So to find where this lives, you would go into your Aspen administration and you would need to turn on the module. It is going to be called Web Builder. So you would need to scroll down to that and enable it. Once you've done that, you'll see a section in your modules called Web Builder, and there's going to be quite a few options. So we have our basic page, which I will just go ahead and edit one that we've created here. And this is going to be the easiest way to create a page. We've got our markdown. You can embed images. You can select your audience and your categories to help with searches. And then you can select which libraries these apply to. We also have our custom pages. So these are going to be a little more complex. You would be adding cells, and then in each cell you can do maybe text or collection spotlights. You can embed the cells right next to one another. Let's see if we have an example of that. Yes, so like a cells next to each other. These actually don't have any content, but you can build them out in that way. You can create those custom forms that I showed you in the beginning. So super easy. You would just add some text, and then we've got our fields that you can add. And then we have our web resources. So if you're creating these web resources, you can embed them into the pages that you're creating, and they're also going to be findable in the Explore More. So like Mango, it's like a more intense version of a placard. So we would see that resource right here in the Explore More. And then you can link out to the actual resource page where you've got some more in-depth information, and you can open the resource here. We have our staff members page where you can add staff. You can say which library they're a part of, their name, role, email, phone. You can upload a photo and have a description. And then our images, PDFs, videos, you can upload to those directly, but if you embed them in the pages, they'll populate there. And then finally, our audiences and categories, which we can apply to these pages. You can define your audiences and categories where they're applicable for you, your patrons, and your library. So again, this is just a really quick overview of where this lives and potential use for this functionality. It's really exciting. We'll be rolling out a more in-depth video so you can walk through with us together on how to create these pages. If you have any questions, please let us know.